So here is a real dictionary for you all, and I want to show you this dictionary because nowadays children don't use dictionary. They use Google in place of dictionary. But when I was in school, I used this dictionary. As you can see, this is a little old dictionary because it is my school's dictionary, and when I was in grade 5, I bought this dictionary. So it does not matter whether it is old or new. And here I had put a name slip also of grade when I was in grade 5. So let's turn our pages, open our dictionary. So the Little Oxford English Dictionary. Open the pages, we'll get a guide to the dictionary. So here also everything is present which we read in our books. Guide to the dictionary means that we can find everything over here which we read in our book. You can see head word, derivative, plural forms, examples, parts of speech, then we have pronunciation. So all these things we read in our book. So here is also a short guide that everyone can understand that what a dictionary contains. As you all know that dictionary is arranged in alphabetical order. So the first alphabet is A. I have taken a page for your example, and here first we'll see the word written over here on the top of the page. These words are called running head or the guide word. By these words we'll come to know that how many words or how many alphabets words is this page containing. The first word is aerate and the last word is affix. That means we'll get AE and AF words over here. Okay. Now if we take a word over here, affect. Can you see the word affect? So this is the head word. What is this? Head word. We need a head word to find the meaning. So the meaning of this head word is make a difference, to have an effect on. So here is the meaning given. Then if you see affectation, affected, affection, affectionate, these four words are similar to this word. Can you see? So this affect, this is the head word, and by with this head word these derivatives are made. These are the derivatives of the affect, affectionate, affected, affection, affectionate. These are the derivatives. Okay, the words which are formed from the base word or the head word are called derivatives. Okay, now if we see, there is affect and it is written verb. Affectation, noun. Affected, adjective. Affection, noun. Affectionate, adjective. Can you see? Why is this verb, noun, adjective written over here? Because our dictionary also tells us that which part of speech this word is. So affect is verb, affectation is noun, affected is adjective, affection is again noun, and affectionate is adjective. Am I clear to you all? Now if we look over a word over here, AFFIDAVIT, and you can see something is written over here. Can you see? Affidavit. What is this? This is the pronunciation of this head word. This word is broken and given like this so that we can break these words and read. Affidavit. Now join it. Affidavit, affidavit, affidavit. So dictionary also gives us the pronunciation of the head word, and we have the definition of this head word also over here. Can you see? So these are all the things which our dictionary contains, and sometimes an example is also given. Okay.